SAP Cloud ALM supports more than 90 products with operations capabilities. A few of them are shown here. Following the problem handling process, SAP Cloud ALM for Operations handles metrics, configuration items, log entries, traces, events, and alerts from an inbound perspective. It offers both product-specific and product-agnostic capabilities and is open for both SAP and non-SAP. This allows you to integrate your own content so that the entire landscape for a certain process is covered. From a global observability point of view, let's start on the business layer with Business Process Monitoring. Business Process Monitoring provides transparency about the end-to-end process health based on key performance indicators. It enables both line of business users and IT users to directly identify business process disruptions across the entire system landscape and to react to anomalies before critical situations arise. Integration and exception monitoring gives insights about data exchange processes. It supports monitoring for peer-to-peer interfaces and interfaces using orchestration platforms and provides a unified user experience for all interface types using a common look and feel and handling pattern. Real user monitoring offers a window into the usage, that is, executions, and the performance, that is, response times, of user interactions. It supports the monitoring request executions from different platforms with a unified user experience, using a common look and feel and handling pattern. It obtains all user interactions and relevant server requests and correlates them in the Real User Monitoring app. With Synthetic User Monitoring, we offer a second flavor of user monitoring. Synthetic User Monitoring helps monitor the performance and availability of web applications from a client-side perspective. Performance and availability issues can be detected early, potentially before the end users are facing them, and in a proactive manner. Job and Automation Monitoring provides a central job monitoring solution for SAP products to complement local job scheduling. It displays the current statuses of the different automation processes regarding execution status, application status, start delay, and runtime. Configuration and Security Analysis collects a comprehensive set of technical configuration data from SAP solutions, both on-premise and in the cloud. Technical configurations are displayed, changes to items can be evaluated in certain time frames, and administration provides information about the managed systems and their status. Health monitoring sheds light on the health of your monitored cloud services and systems from an application perspective. Technical metrics are collected on a regular basis and can be used to calculate the overall health of the monitored object. The monitored metrics are defined by the service itself and may differ for each service type. Intelligent Event Processing supports the routing of the problem across all operations capabilities as a central service. With this, the phase problem resolution is initiated and goes hand in hand with the outbound integration. This covers alert management, notification management, operations automation, and external API management, and results in tickets, tasks, emails, chats, operation flows that are executed, and the usage of analytics and raw data. Business Service Management can be considered an umbrella. It helps you group your services, manage status events, and use availability information of your services from SAP for Me within SAP Cloud ALM for Operations. Finally, analytics and intelligence functionalities span across all the use cases. For more information about SAP Cloud ALM for Operations, take a look at our documentation on the Expert Portal and the SAP Help Portal linked in the description below. AI-generated audio.